You are not my stepdaughter. Leave this house. Now.
Please, no, please. I have nowhere to go. How did I end up here earlier that morning? This omelet is so good.
Layla, wake up. Mop. Faster, you are too slow.
Stepmom, I am very hungry. Can I eat too?
No, you did not finish your work, but my stomach hurts. Too bad. Go scrub the bathroom.
Yes, stepmom.
Finally finished. But wait. Start again. You missed the corners. Scrub. Good. Now iron all the clothes.
These are so many. I will do it. Yes, stepmom.
Oh, this is my favorite shirt. Be careful with that. It is silk. It costs $300.
Yes, stepmom. I will be careful.
Hiss, Mina, stop! Oh no, what happened to my shirt? My expensive silk shirt! Who did this?
Layla did it. She was ironing and she burned it.
Mom, Layla was not even ironing it. I saw Mina touch the iron.
What? I did not go near it.
Do not lie about my daughter, you little troublemaker.
But stepmom, I promise, Mina grabbed the iron. I saw it with my own eyes.
Enough. I do not want to hear another word. That shirt was worth more than everything you own. Get out. Get out of my house right now.
Please, stepmom. One more chance, please.
Out now. Do not ever come back.
It is so dark outside. Where do I go? I am so tired. I only have half a biscuit left. At least I found you, little one. I will call you Biscuit. What is that noise? The helicopter. It is landing. Why is everyone running away? Wait. I am not running. I am brave. Brave means you do not let fear stop you.
Excuse me, ma'am. You look tired.
I only have half a biscuit, but please take it.
She is not afraid of us. Not even a little. She is just a child. And she is giving us her only food. This one has a real heart. Why are you alone out here at night?
My stepmom threw me out.
Come with us. Our director wants to meet someone like you. Miss, the car is ready. Right this way.
It is so warm in here.
Welcome to Horizon Foundation.
This place feels like a dream. Everyone is smiling. We are here. Wow, it is huge. Everything is so clean and bright.
Director, we found this brave girl alone on the street. Director, she offered us her last piece of food without being asked. Come forward, child.
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of me?
No, sir, not at all.
Good. Fearless people are very rare. You are fearless and generous. I have been looking for someone like you. You have courage, little one. What is your name?
My name is Layla, and this is Biscuit. Really? You want to adopt me?
Yes. Welcome home, Layla.
Thank you, Father.
7 years later. Layla, I am getting older now. Layla, I am naming you the new director of Horizon Foundation. You will lead with fairness and compassion.
I will protect everyone. Father, I promise.
I am so proud of you, my daughter.
The handover ceremony begins. The new director of Horizon Foundation is Layla.
I am building new programs that will change everything. Program 1, no child sleeps hungry. This is our promise. Program 3, free school supplies for every child in the city.
Director Layla is the best.
I will bring justice. Justice means giving people what they deserve. Fairness for everyone. Guards, I have an assignment for you. Go to this address immediately. Bring them in. Yes, guards.
Yes, Director. You are under arrest.
What? This is wrong. I have done nothing wrong.
The girl you threw out in the cold is now our director. You are coming with us.
Layla. Layla, is that you? Layla, this cannot be true. No, this is not possible. I was so heartless to Layla. I cannot forgive myself. She has everything now, and we are left.
This is the Horizon headquarters. Layla, is that really you?
Hello, Mina. I am sorry. I burned the shirt. I made your life a nightmare. Please forgive me.
I'm so sorry for everything I did back then. You were young, and you came here today to tell the truth. I forgive you. Do you want to help me build something better? Yes, I will help you. We are family now. Family means the people who choose love over pride. It is about trust. It is about showing up. Love always finds a way. Thank you for choosing me, sister.
Confetti.
Free school bags for everyone.
Remember this, friends. The lessons we carry today build the life we live tomorrow. Being brave and kind is the greatest power. Justice always arrives. And real family is built on love, not rules. If you believe in second chances, hit subscribe. If kindness inspires you, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, friends.